goddesses. The Ganesha Purana, Vinayaka Purana declares it is Ganesha who created Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra. And he is Brahmanda, his whole cosmos is in his belly. Same way Subramanya Purana declares him as the superior. And Devi Bhagavatam declares Devi as the superior. Vaishnava scriptures declare Vishnu as superior. Same way Guru Gita declares Guru as the superior. And Surya Purana, there are descriptions about Surya, and some parts of the Brahmanda Purana describes Surya as the source of everything. Totally, these 6 gods and your own Guru, all the 7 are worshipped as the superior representation or supreme representations of the cosmos. All the 7 are worshipped as a Purna Brahman in Vedic tradition. If you are a follower of any one of these 7 tradition, you belong to Vedic tradition, you are a Hindu. This wide variety provides choice. Please understand. As I said, the choice is not because of confusion, but because of intelligence. But because of possibilities. Looking at the possibilities. Let's enter into today's satsang, Upanishads. Upanishad. Still, I feel I have not introduced 80% of what I wanted to say about Upanishads. Today I am going to look at Upanishads from various masters' views, Eastern and Western, even the modern day teachers, professors, translators, historians, they were all shocked to see Upanishads. Some accepted the greatness and praised. Some tried to distort so that the glory is reduced. Some try to say these are all written very recently, copying the ideas from Western spiritual books. Now, some try to say that. See, when something extraordinary, mind-blowing is in front of you, either mind surrenders, bows down to its glory, and enjoys its presence and dissolves into it, or tries to deny its existence to ascertain, tries to deny its existence to ascertain, to assert. So understand, Upanishads are too big. Just by reading and understanding, it refines the sacred understandings, sacred sentiments, sacredness of your existence. Please understand. There are some books which can refine your understanding. There are some books which can refine your sacred sentiments. But only Upanishads can refine your understanding, sentiments, and your sacred beingness. Beingness means experiencing liberation as your existence of the future, present, and past. Liberation as your future, present, and past. Liberation as your future, present, and past.